Dongguan City Shenyang Electronic Company Limited, an experienced OEM custom wire harness manufacturer, was established in 2004 and covers an area of 1,500 square meters. Located in the famous manufacturing center of Dongguan, adjacent to Guangzhou and Shenzhen. A good geographical location helps facilitate transportation. With strong technical strength and excellent quality, our company is a Trinity enterprise of production, agency, and marketing. We specialize in producing various types of wire harness, electronic wire harness, automotive wire harness, equipment connection wire harness, medical wire harness, high-temperature wire harness, etc., which accord with UL, IATF 16949, ISO 9001, CSA, VDE, CE, SGS. Our products are mainly used for high and new technology electric products such as automotive, medical instrument, electrical appliances, massage chair, numerical controlled machine, RPTV, rear projection television, motor, car, etc., adhering to the quality first, customer first business philosophy and service purpose. As a professional supplier of wire harness products, we have an excellent cooperative team dedicated to product design and development, quality control and inspection, as well as company operation. In order to provide customers with satisfactory products and services, we have established a modern quality management system in accordance with international standards. Given the vast overseas market, we warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.